All right, I'm going to show you how to make human figure symbols for you to be able to put in your drawings. So first you want to start with something to trace. What you can do is the easiest thing that I've found to do is search for free vector human silhouette. And so be careful because there's a lot of unsavory looking websites that come up. But you will be able to find some figures that you can download, or you can just take a photograph of someone, because all you have to do is trace. I just use the sorry, I'm gonna there we go. Escape. I just use the polyline tool symbol and then trace the figure. And so this one has multiple people on it, so that's what I did here. I just traced this figure. So if I delete this, here I've got a human. Now I stopped and started with multiple lines, right? Because if you make a mistake, it's just easier to do it this way. So what you can do is select this human figure, and then you want to go to Modify, Combine into Surface, and go ahead and click inside this human, and now you have a solid human object. You can also make sure you can make a special human sort of fill if you want, or you can just make this a class that is a solid class. So if we go here to solid, and we could do magenta if we wanted. Ooh, that's very bright. Very, very bright. Bishop is trying to step on my keyboard right now. But so then you have a person with a fill. I'm going to do a different color than magenta. Solid, normal gray. There we go. Lovely. And then all you have to do is go to Modify, Create Symbol. And I'm going to call this Human Woman Standing 1. And then I want to make sure that it's set to next mouse click like we did before, because that's how you're going to insert it later. I'm going to put it right here on the lowest point. And choose a destination folder. I don't want it to be sheep border components. Just this, and say OK. And then if I go to my resource manager and I go to this assignment, here it is, human woman. I can click on her, I can move off of here, and then I can put in a human figure. And that's how you make a human figure the simple way, although it is a little time consuming. There are other ways, and we'll get to them if you're doing the little bit of 3D that we are going to do in the lighting design option. For the most part, this is your best bet.